Hi you all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Miss T here, and today I'm applying the GLAMGLOW SUPERMUD Charcoal Instant Treatment Mask. The mask is a clarifying mask with 6 exfoliating acids and activated charcoal that visibly clears pores and improves the complexion of normal, combination, and acne-prone skin. I received the mask in my January 2020 Sephora Play subscription box. You can purchase the mask at Sephora.com. Avoid the areas around your eyes and mouth. I didn't do a good job with this, but that's the reality of applying a mask. When applying the mask, you'll want to work quickly. It dries fast. You can purchase the silicone face mask brush at your local beauty supply store, but if you can't get one, just use your hands. You should begin to feel the mask tingling. This is the way you know it's working. You can leave the mask on anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. Your face will begin to feel very tight. This is normal. I find that masks are easier to remove in the shower. After my shower, I use my facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. I followed up with my Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. First Aid Beauty is my go-to skincare product line when I'm not using products from my subscription boxes. I then followed up with my Ultra Repair Intensive Lip Balm. The mask is a winner, you guys. I didn't notice much of an immediate difference, but it sure did make my face feel good. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.